So problem 3, exercise 1.3, real numbers, Cbse class 10 maths. First problem is 1 by root 2. Okay, now we have to prove it is irrational. Now let first we assume that let 1 by root 2 is equal to an rational number. So we first assume 1 by root 2 as a rational number. Because it is a rational number, we can get two numbers. We can find two numbers such that b a comma b is not equal to 0. Okay, and where a b are integers, we can write 1 by root 2 as a rational number a by b. If I reciprocate both sides, so it is root 2, reverse both the numbers, right side and left side, becomes root 2 is equal to b by a. Okay, because root 2 is equal to b by a, we know that a by b is equal to rational number. Then automatically then b by a also rational number. We know that a by b is rational, implies b by a also rational. But left side is root 2 is there, right side is b by a rational number. But we know root 2 is equal to is irrational. Root 2 is irrational number. So therefore, but we got right side root 2 is equal to b by a, but b by a is rational. So root 2 is equal to b by a is contradictory. That meant root 2 we got root 2 is irrational, we know, but we got root 2 is b by a, which is rational. So therefore our assumption 1 by root 2 is a rational number is contradicts. Therefore 1 by root 2 is an irrational. It is an irrational number. Okay, now next bit, 7 root 5. Same, we assume that 7 root 5 we have to prove it as irrational. Let 7 root 5 as a rational number, is a rational is a number. Because it is a rational number, we can find two numbers a and b integer such that b is not equal to 0. 7 root 5 is equal to a by b. Okay, now what we do is we keep left side root 5 and we cross multiply this to the down of this one, becomes 7bb. So we know that a by b is rational. A by b is a rational number. This implies b by a is also a rational number. So but we have in the left side it is root 5, we got the right side as a by 7b. Now this is rational, but root 5 is irrational. We know that root 5 is irrational, we already know. That means our assumption that this 7 root 5 is irrational is contradicts. Therefore 7 root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, hence it proved. Now what about third bit is asking to find out 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. We have to prove. Again same, let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational number. It is a rational number. So we can find out two numbers a b integers such that b is not equal to 0. 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b, because we are assuming 6 plus root 2 as a rational number. So every rational number can be written as in the form of fraction a by b. So we bring root 6 to the right side, so it becomes a by b minus 6. Okay, now it's very clear that a by b is a rational number, then automatically a by b minus 6 is also a rational number. But we know that root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational. Root 2 is an irrational number. We know that. Therefore, our assumption 6 plus our assumption 6 plus root 2 is a rational number is contradicts. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Hope you understood. We'll stop here.